The SolidContact system configurator contains all of the model physical design information. This includes the layout sketch, the 3D CAD model, the Revit model, and the bill of materials. The design information is organized by separate tabs for each airstream and another tab for system settings. Individual components can be replaced, configured, added, deleted, or relocated within the same airstream. As changes are made, the design continues to conform to the established design constraints for the system type. Any changes will immediately be reflected in the system layout sketch. And the bill of materials for the system is updated when the changes are saved.